What it, fam? We're here today to show y'all a game that y'all all are too familiar of, but we just put a little twist to it. You know, we got it at the Dollar Tree, just a little checkerboard piece. Well, the checkerboard board. We got it from the Dollar Tree and some shot glasses from the Dollar Tree. So total, we only spent $2 for this game that we're about to play. Instead of using the chips, we'll be using
liquor.
Shot glasses, baby. So, without further ado, we're going to show you us getting down on this game because I'm about to get ready to whoop some butt. Now, we got the setup. We drinking two different types of wines. We got a pink, what is that, Moscato?
Yeah.
And then a white wine. So for anybody, like I said, it's up to you. What kind of your choice of liquor?
Hard alcohol.
Yeah, you could do brown. One person can have the brown liquor, another person can have white liquor, whatever, so y'all can identify y'all cups or whatever. But we ain't messing with no hard liquor because in total, that'll make 12 shots and can't drink like that. So we're doing wine. So anyways, who go first?
I'll go first.
Go ahead. Oh, okay. Hold on. Hold up.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, but then if I jump you, you're going to end up jumping me. I see this already. It's okay.
Go ahead, take your shot.
Oh. It's on me now.
So this is the object of the game. See who could get drunk fastest. Ooh, which one should I I'm gonna go this way. Cause if I move this way, she gonna double jump. I'm good. I ain't trying to do all that like that.
You know what, home skillet? You have totally irked me right now.
I'll blow you for not jumping me. Big. Give me my drink.
Okay,
and I'm gonna drink yours because you missed it.
No, you don't get to drink mine. No, you don't. No, you don't. I told y'all in previous videos, this man cheats.
When you supposed to jump?
No, I didn't. You know what? Because I didn't even see all that.
Yeah, got to read the board,
But
baby.
that didn't mean you drink my drink, though. No, it
basically, I just took your chip.
You took the chip, but you don't drink my drink.
I'm going to drink it.
You just moved your chip off the board. No.
What are you talking about?
When you drunk that. When you drunk that drink,
okay,
that was your chip you moved, Goofy. I'm cool. I'm gonna jump you. I'm sick of you right now.
Let's go.
I'm going.
Better move some of them people back there.
Oh, trust me, I am.
Yes.
Come on, better move somebody back there too. Joe slick self. It's okay, because I'll take this one too. Thank you.
Look like I'm gonna win this game.
Of course, especially when you drunk one of the chips that you pulled your own chip off the board. You won by default.
Whatever.
No. I'm about to back jump.
You can't back
I
jump.
know. You be cheating. So
Ain't that some shit?
you be cheating, so why can't I cheat?
The only way you can back jump if you make it.
I don't care. You cheat, why can't I cheat?
Ain't nobody cheating shit.
You
haven't
did
played
cheat.
checkers. Okay, we're gonna get the real checkers out after this. We're gonna play a real game of checkers.
No, I don't want to play.
Yeah, exactly.
No, we're gonna play this again.
Okay.
We're gonna rewash these
Rewash.
these shot glasses and do it again.
Let's go.
Start moving some out. Come on now, because I got all mine out except for this one. Oh, I've been waiting on Big Daddy to come out too. Oh yes, thank you.
So since these are kings now, so we can slide them across the whole board, right?
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay.
It's supposed to be one on top of the other.
So,
Though.
yeah.
Yours is right here.
I
Stop
know.
playing.
Yeah.
No.
That's a king. You
I
the
don't
boy.
care. No.
What are you talking about?
Well, I'm drinking it too. Your king is gone now. You ain't got no more kings over here. Get your king.
See how she be cheating?
No, that's him. You ain't got no more kings.
I wasn't cheating.
That's what you did. You drunk your own damn man. Who do that? If you can drink your man, I can drink your man too.
Oh boy.
I got two kings now.
Go.
Are you about to get a third king?
I still have a king up till you drink my king.
You ain't got no more kings. There's no such thing as a king for you right now.
Motherfuckers be cheating.
I got 3 kings.
Shit. Right
You
there.
better hope that king don't get drank. Bring his ass over here and watch him get drunk up. Let me see. Oh, you trying to keep him in a corner so I can't jump on him. Get him out the corner. Take him out the corner. Get him out the corner. No, you playing. You can't move the king again.
Yes, I can.
The
I
king
can't let
stays there, crowned. Now you get this one and move it. Move it. You know that's cheating. You can't jump over a red. You can't jump over a red checker. It gonna work like that.
Oh man, you keep cheating.
You cheated. Okay, I'm just thirsty. I can do all this. It's okay.
Oh, your ass cheated, man.
Tell me who won the game.
You cheated.
You cheated. No. I'm just playing. You drunk my king.
No, I didn't.
Look,
What?
I had 3 kings down there.
1, 2, 3.
No, this wasn't a king.
You brought him up here.
But that one wasn't a king. You drunk my king.
Oh, game over.
You a cheater.
Man.
You a cheater.
Let's see if you get my last one. But it don't look like you will.
Whatever. You play too much. You think everything is funny. You play too much.
I'm done.
Anyways, that was just a friendly game. As you know. Because he cheats.
Well,
You better drink those ones.
them yours.
No, it's not.
She just trying to take advantage of me tonight.
Nah. Nah.
Yeah, that's a guy.